Well, welcome back. We are just back from J.C. Boyle, which is a reservoir here locally. I knew it was going to get really windy before the storm kicks in tonight. So I took the kayak out over to what I thought was going to be a fairly sheltered reservoir where it wasn't going to be too windy. And I was right, but it lasted for about 2 hours. Then it got really windy. And wind and a kayak, it just don't work. So I knew when I got back, I visited some friends on the way back that live in that area, that this was going to come here. So this is my baits from BFO. Don't ask me what BFO stands for. Bass Fishing Obsession, maybe? I don't know. I'm going to have to ask Jim. But BFOBaits.com. I'll put a link down below. This guy, Jim, he makes these really well in his garage. And the neat thing about his baits is that, let's see, I don't really want to cut into this, do I? So, the good thing about his baits is that they come in virtually any color, over 30 colors. And, oh good, I didn't cut the bags, good. And about a dozen scents. So, you can choose your color, and if he doesn't have your color, he'll actually make a color for you that you want. I mean, how cool is that? So this is BFO baits. Unbagging. I ordered 5 different baits from him and 4 different scents. I can barely breathe. So, let's see. That's why I'm wearing my oxygen. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. All right, so BFO baits right there. Let's see if it says anything on the back. Handmade, super secret formula. I told my wife, so everyone knows it now, he says. Oh, see what BFO stands for? Well, I still don't know what BFO stands for. So, what's so cool about this? Again, he's got a lot of great baits. They are handmade in a beautiful array of colors and smells, scents. So this is Senor Frog. And I made Senor Frog in bacon smell. This is the Snow Desert. So this is Snow Desert. It's green on one side, white belly on the other. How cool is that? That's Senor Frog. Very cool. In bacon smelling, because everything likes to eat bacon except for pigs. And I'm not fishing for pigs. But that is Senor Frog. Handmade, super secret formula. Until he told his wife. Okay, so this is the Ned rigs. Oh, by the way, in this, you get 6 frogs. And this is their Ned rigs. This is a 10-pack of Ned rigs. And I think I got the Ned rig, where is it? In fish food smell. Figured we'll try fish food. I'm shooting for fish. Okay, so this is called BFO Fire. So it's red on one side, orange on the other, and we have shiny little flakes in there. We got blue and silver flakes in this Ned. And you get 10 of them. 10 of them in this It says not for human consumption. Can't suck on the Ned. All right. This is called the Senta Stick. And I got the Senta Stick in anise scent. I was told anise works really good. I don't know if a nephew does, but anise does. So this is, you get 4 of them. This is a really cool bait. This also is in that BFO fire. Orange on one side, red on the other. Man, that smells nice. It's pretty. So, maybe for the girl fishes. So, anyway, this is really cool. Look at those. Look at all the appendages. I was thinking maybe even try cutting this in half and using it as 2 Neds. With all this going on in it, I don't know. What do you guys think? Make a couple Neds out of 1 Senta stick. So you do get 4 of these in the pack. It's a big one. And this one, it's going to look, looks really cool, doesn't it? Senta stick. All right, and the next is what he swears by will work. This is the butt whooping paddle tail. The butt whooping paddle tail, also in anise. This is a pack of 6. So this is a big long worm with a paddle tail, but you can separate this paddle tail right there, and it creates more of an action on it. Look at that. Very cool. Very, very cool. And again, this is in sun-dried tomato. So really nice dark red with a lot of really cool flakes on it. Looks like you got orange flakes, blue flakes, silver flakes. That's going to really be pretty in the water. And that paddle tail is going to look great. You can see the flakes in the paddle tail. So this thing should go crazy. A potpourri. Okay, this last one's super cool. This is called Spot the Water Dog. And I got Spot in craw scent. Craw scent. Somewhere down here. Oh, and I got Spot in what's called Yellow Jacket. Look at that. Look at that tail. It's a salamander, look. Really cool arms. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. It's not straight either. It's curled. It's a curled tail. Look at that. You know, pull this right into the bed. Oh my goodness. And I got this. Oh, no. This is craw. Craw smell. So we'll make them crawl with craw smell. You can see the nice flecks that he put into it. A neat thing too is these are handmade, and look how even this flecks are. Handmade, nice even flecks. Oh my goodness. Which one do you use first? Can't wait for spawn. Oh my goodness. Which one do you use first? Okay, so those are my Spot the Water Dog, butt whooping paddle tail. They're swimming in this juice. Stick, Mr. Ned Riggs, and Senor Frog. Very, very awesome. Really looking forward to this. So I want you to use the link below. Please subscribe and like. I'm going to do a challenge come a little when the water warms up to use these, although the Ned would probably work right now just fine. And the Stick, cut it in half, use it as 2 Neds. Bam. So I want you to use the link below and check out BFO Baits, because Jim's a great guy. He really is. And he's got a really good shop in his garage. It's very professional looking. And if you look at these, those look fantastic. It's nice, even. There's no, extra stuff on it. And very, very good. Senor Frog. Come on. This frog's going to kill. That frog's going to kill. Oh my goodness. All that's going to kill. That's why I bought it. So please check out the link below. And subscribe, like, tell your friends. It's a fantastic. These look really, really good. Really good. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I would have shown you some fish that I got today, but I ain't catching them. I had about 2-hour window before that wind hit, and it's going to be storming this next week here in Klamath Falls. So that was my sort of moment, and I blew it. The water was only 41 degrees, so the bass weren't biting, and I did see some crappie. I did see some perch, and so I was shooting for the bass, and then I put a jig on, try to get the crappie, but I didn't get them. So anyway, take care, everybody. Keep your lines tight. Have fun out there, and please check out BFO Baits with the link below.